A very good evening to all of you. Now, tomorrow we are going to have an MCQ test of all the subjects. Here is a short video how you all have to attempt it. Please watch this video completely because there are certain changes. This video is actually for the classes 6 to 10th. I repeat, this video is for the classes 6 to 10th. Class 6, 7, 8, 9th and 10th. Now you all will be getting the links in the same way as we have been doing in our PT1 or in our revision tests that were held in June. Now once you click the link, you will get this. Remember, there will be one single link. I repeat, this video is only for class 6, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. You will just get a single link, just one link for all the papers. The first exam or the first subject that you will get is English. I have made a sample paper, so therefore I have named it as sample English. The first thing any student has to do is write his or her name. So I am writing my name, then Kumar Rasija, and then what we have to do is we have to choose the class and section. Let us say I am in 8th A. I will choose it and then I will click next. As soon as I click next, I will get the questions, right? I have first question, what is noun. I have second question, what is verb. Similarly, I will have 8 more questions. In all, there will be 10 questions. So what we have to do is we have to just click on, let us say what is the answer for this. Let us say it is B. And then for this question, let us say it is C. Similarly, you will go to third question, fourth question, fifth question and so on till all the questions are there. After that, you are going to click submit. Submit. Now, here we will get the second link, means one paper is submitted and now we are going to the second link, and this second link you just click here, link for Hindi, means English has been submitted. Now this is the link for Hindi. We will click this link. There we have another subject, that is sample Hindi. You will get in the name of Hindi. Name of the student, again we have to type. Now I am typing my name again, and then we will have the class and section, whatever is my class. Let us say I'm in 8th A. I will click next. My paper for Hindi, whatever questions you are getting, please remember this is just a sample. That is why I have taken random questions, just random questions. Whatever question that you are having in your paper will be there. Click submit. After clicking, after uh, after doing all the questions, you just click submit. Sample Hindi is done. Now we have the link for mathematics. We will click this link for mathematics. There it is. Again, the same way that we have been doing earlier. Name of the student, again I will put my name. Then class and section, let us say like this, and then click next. Then again, the sample mathematics paper will be there. I'm so sorry, it's English written there, but it should be mathematics. What is 2 plus 2? Whatever answer we have, you just click it. 2 minus 2, anything, whatever answer that we are having. Similarly, again here also you will be getting 10 different questions. आपके पास 10 questions होंगे. This is just a sample. That is why I have taken only 2. Click submit. Then the fourth subject, that is link for science. Similarly, you will get after this science, you will get the link for SST. Then you will get the link for ICT or any subject that you are having. Similarly, for here, we will have the name of the student. Again, I am putting the name of the student. Remember, in each and every paper, you have to put the name and the class and section. Then only it will be evaluated, otherwise not. We have to click next. Then again the science paper will open up. I'm so sorry, I have written English here. It should be science. Again I'm telling you, it is just a sample. ये सिर्फ एक sample है आपके लिए, आपको ये बताने के लिए कि आपको next exam का link कहाँ मिलेगा. आपके हर exam का link एक पेपर को ख़त्म करने के बाद एंड में मिल जाएगा. सो प्लीज़ मेक इट श्योर दैट यू आर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो कम्प्लीटली. एट टाइम्स आई हैव सीन दैट आई हैव गिवन ऑल द इंस्ट्रक्शंस. मैंने अपनी तरफ से सारे इंस्ट्रक्शंस आपको दिए, बट बिकॉज you haven't watched that video completely you miss many points. ये मैंने देखा है कि मैंने आपको सारे पॉइंट्स बताए मेरे वीडियो में, लेकिन क्योंकि आपने उस वीडियो को पूरा नहीं देखा, आप बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स मिस कर देते हैं. सो प्लीज़ ट्राई टू वॉच दिस अगेन एंड अगेन एंड do your paper very religiously, very please be very attentive while attempting all the questions. Do it very carefully. After that, once you have done all the question papers, you will get this submit button, and then thanks, your papers have been submitted. This is the way we are going to attempt the question papers tomorrow, that is on Monday. So all the best to each and every one of you. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.